Hello everyone, my name is Amin, and this tutorial video I'm going to talk about two important routing protocol, which are OSPF and EIGRP. Uh, I have to mention this, that the purpose of this video is to uh, talk about the major differences between these two routing protocols. So now let's talk about these differences. In the beginning, it is good to know that the OSPF stands for shortest path first versus EIGRP stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. So let's see what are some basic concepts of these two routing protocols. They both are subset of the Interior Gateway Protocols or IGP protocols, but they have totally different content and technology to route our data over the network. And the major difference between these two protocols is on their operation, where OSPF is a subset of the linked state protocols, and this means it can create complete view or topology of the network by gathering information from all of other routers, while EIGRP is a subset of the distance vector routing protocol. And distance means to identify how far is the destination network and is based on metrics such as next hop count, cost, bandwidth, delay, and more. And vector option, it's specified the direction of the next hop router or exit interface to reach the subnet or destination. So now we reach to our first topic about the differences that we want to talk. Because I would say the previous details here was just a very basic information on differences about these two routing protocol. The first difference between these two routing protocol is on different, in fact, algorithms that they use to calculate the shortest path and metric. EIGRP is based on dual algorithm, while OSPF is use SPF or shortest path first algorithm. And SPF algorithm is the only depends on bandwidth for metric calculation, and it's calculate the cost of the link to subnet, while dual algorithm use bandwidth and delay to calculate the metric with its formula. So further in this video, I would show you in one scenario in either packet trace or other simulations more about these differences, and I would say I can just go for more details about these two routing protocol and each option. The next, in fact, phase of the differences is on the design. The design of these two routing protocols is totally different. So OSPF is based on area planning requires, and they call hierarchical design. And this design is from backbone area to the normal areas. And any area size should not become very large. And if that happens, then the OSPF network may become very complex to administer and manage. And it also would be hard for the SPF algorithm to process. But EIGRP uh, doesn't have any area planning requirement. And EIGRP is use autonomous system number, which is we call AS number. Um, in fact, this AS number is something like a area number in OSPF. And AS number would be determine the the way that those, for example, two routers are going to be talking to each other. For example, uh, assuming in this picture, as you can see, if in order to router US become a neighbor to the German router, they both should have the same AS number. As you can see here in global configuration, when you want to make one router to the join it to the EIGRP, you're going to just use command router EIGRP, then this AS number should be unique in all router in that entire network in order to make them as a neighbor to each other. So in the next video, we are going to be talk more about other differences with in fact more details about them. Thank you for watching this video.